Hello, our topic for this video tutorial is about image map. An image map is a graphic image designed in a way that allows different areas of the main image to be clickable by the user. These clickable areas then link to different destinations that usually relate to the part of the image the user has clicked on. This is the ways how to make an image map. First, you need an image. Then save the image as GIF or JPEG into the website image folder. Step number 2. Use the HTML map to create a map with the name. Inside this tag, you will specify where the clickable areas are with the HTML area tag. This is the sample code. Step number 3. Use the HTML img tag to link to this image. In the img tag, use with the useMap attribute to define which image map to use. Here is the sample code. All files included in the HTML map must be in the same folder. Save the code. And view it in the browser. Now, you see the image has partitions which are clickable and have links. Well, that's for it in this video. Thanks for watching.